Wish you guys the best. Okay, hopefully, all in this year, we all accomplish a lot. Okay, we accomplish all our goals, and then living in a happy life, abundance, and peaceful. Okay, so starting the new year, we also start with a new chapter. Okay, so now allow me to share the material that we are going to learn starting this week. All right. Oops. Okay, hold on, hold on. This is okay, this right here. All right. We are going to discuss about chapter 23. All right, there you go. Chapter 23 about graduation. All right. So, since this is a new chapter, I'll start with giving you guys example of how to pronounce it and then give you guys a quick translation. That way it's gonna help you guys when you do the pronunciation. You will have a better intonation since you understand the meaning of their sentences. All right. So allow me to do this really quick. Okay, guys. So in this chapter, the situation is Annie met Liz after she had purchased a graduation gift for her sister Veronica. Both of them are talking about the graduation ceremony and Veronica's plan of action after finishing 4 years of studies. Okay. Jadi kondisinya begini ya. Ani bertemu dengan Liz setelah Ani membeli hadiah untuk saudaranya Veronica, untuk kakaknya Veronica. Dia bertemu dengan Liz. Kemudian mereka berbicara bagaimana tentang perayaan kelulusan Veronica dan juga tentang bagaimana tentang rencana Veronica setelah lulus kuliah. Okay, so that's the conclusion of this chapter. Okay, so let's hear what they say. There is a very lovely bouquet of flowers. Who is this for? Okay. Wah, karangan bunganya bagus sekali. Buat siapa? These flowers are for my sister Veronica. Today is her graduation day. Oh, bunga ini untuk kakak saya Veronica. Hari ini dia lulus. Perayaan hari ini, today is her graduation day. Hari ini hari kelulusannya. It must have cost you a fortune. Wah, kelihatannya mahal ya. I paid $60 for it. Saya bayar harganya $60. Saya bayarnya $60. That is expensive. Wah, mahal juga. Yes, but it is worth it. My sister worked very hard for her degree over the last 4 years. Today is very important day for her and I want it to be special. Ya, tapi bunga ini it is worth it. Bunga ini layak, maksudnya sesuai lah dengan apa yang telah kakak saya lakukan untuk mendapatkan gelarnya, apa yang telah dilakukan oleh kakak saya selama 4 tahun untuk mendapatkan gelar ini. Oke, dia layak untuk layak mendapatkan bunga semahal itu, maksudnya ya. Oke, hari ini adalah hari terpenting dalam hidupnya. Very important dia, hari terpenting baginya. Dan saya menginginkannya itu, membuatnya itu menjadi hari yang spesial buat dia. Ah, that is very nice of you. I wish it is our graduation day also. Wah, baik sekali kamu. Ya, saya berharap ini adalah hari kelulusan kita juga. Another 3 years and we will be done also. 3 years seems to be a long time. Yet, it is not too bad. 3 tahun lagi dan kita akan lulus. Oke, 3 tahun sepertinya panjang banget, lama. Nah, namun ya, ya sepertinya tidak terlalu terlalu ya, maksudnya it is not too bad, maksudnya ya tidak terlalu buruk lah gitu loh. Nah, it's okay like that. That's kira-kira begitu ya. Where are they going to hold the graduation ceremony? Perayaan kelulusannya itu di mana? The ceremony will be held on upper campus near the library at 3 p.m. Akan diadakan di kampus atas dekat perpustakaan jam 3 sore. I believe the School of Business and the School of Engineering all hold the same graduation ceremony. Sepertinya sepertinya jurusan bisnis dan juga teknik akan akan uh, mengadakan perayaan wisuda ya kira-kira bahasa Indonesia ya akan akan melaksanakan wisuda yang bersamaan dengan Veronica ya maksudnya graduation wisuda sepertinya lebih familiar ya sama kita ya. Okay, so that will be a big ceremony. Imagine all the graduating students from both schools all along with their relatives and acquaintances. Wah, sepertinya perayaannya akan sangat besar ya, ramai. Coba bayangin semua mahasiswa yang lulus dari kedua jurusan tersebut dengan keluarga dan juga kenalannya. Okay. You better show up early, otherwise there will not be a seat left for you. Wah, kamu harus cepat datang ya, datangnya lebih awal. Kalau kalau tidak ada kalau tidak datang lebih awal, kursinya tidak ada kursi lagi yang tersisa untukmu. I better get a seat close to the stage if I want to get good pictures of my sister. Saya sebaiknya duduknya di dekat dengan stage itu apa bahasa Indonesianya dengan panggung agar saya bisa memotret foto yang jelas dan bagus. I think all the seats up front are reserved for the graduating students. If you want to close to the stage, you probably will have to stand close by. Sepertinya kursi di bagian depan itu untuk mahasiswa yang lulus. Kemudian bila kamu mau berada di dekat dengan stage itu what do you call panggung, kamu sebaiknya you will have to stand close by. Sepertinya kamu harus berdiri, gitu katanya. Ya, tidak ada kursi untuk family and relatives on the front. That way means. Okay, that will be good enough for me. I can snatch pictures of her when she walks by. Ya sepertinya bolehlah untukku, boleh juga gitu. Saya bisa memotretnya saat dia akan naik ke panggung gitu ya. Kemudian Liz berkata, okay, the university always has at least 2 professional photographers to take pictures of students when they go upstage for their diploma. Okay. Biasanya kampus universitas itu menyediakan 2 fotografer yang dibayar maksudnya profesional, yang dibayar untuk mengambil untuk memotret saat mahasiswa itu naik ke panggung menerima sertifikatnya, ya sertifikat ya. Gitu. And then, yes, I heard that the photographers usually take a couple of pictures of each student. Ordinarily, when the student receive their diploma and when the school's president shakes their hands in congratulation. Iya, saya juga dengar katanya tukang fotonya biasanya mengambil beberapa foto dari setiap mahasiswa. Biasanya, umumnya saat mahasiswa itu menerima ijazah dan saat dekannya, the school's president, berarti kalau untuk yang kuliah berarti dekan ya. Saat dekan itu memberikan ucapan selamat dengan memberikan ucapan selamat dengan berjabat tangan. Okay. Next, that will take care of the whole thing then. All the important moments will be captured on film. Kalau begitu berarti sudah selesai dong bahasa Indonesia. Okay, that will take care of the whole thing then. Okay. Kalau begitu udah beres dong. Nah, semua momen yang penting itu sudah terekam dalam filmnya ini ya, film maksudnya the camera, maksudnya itu camera, okay? And then any say. And after the ceremony, there will be plenty of time to take pictures of my sister with our family and her friends. Setelah acara wisuda, akan banyak waktu untuk memotret kakak saya dengan keluarga dan juga dengan teman-temannya. The university store usually does not require the students to return their graduation gown and caps right after the ceremony. Toko, maksudnya itu apa ya namanya? Ada toko ya yang menyediakan barang-barang untuk mahasiswa itu kira-kira ya. Toko apa ya? Toko di kampus ya. Toko di kampus biasanya itu tidak mengharuskan para mahasiswa untuk mengembalikan toga dan apa baju ini ya, the graduating gown, toga dan what do you call toganya setelah acara wisuda. Yes, Veronica has the option of returning them the next day. Betul, kakak saya Veronica. Kakak saya Veronica bisa mengembalikannya besok. Okay. Because the graduation is during the day, so she can return it the next day. Okay, you don't have to return on the same day of the ceremony. Okay, she will be wearing a black gown and cap with a gold tassel, right? Dia akan Veronica akan memakai baju wisuda dan toga dengan with a gold tassel. Toganya yang pakai itu yang gantungan itu apa ya, tassel itu bahasa Indonesianya, gantungan yang kuning itu yang dari toga yang dipindah-pindahkan saat oleh dekan ya, kira-kira gitu ya. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Di atas topi toga itu ada kayak tali. Nah, itu talinya itu warnanya gold. Nah, itu yang dinamakan tassel, okay? Alright, so yes, I wonder how she will feel. She will probably be very excited, very happy, and also very relieved to be done with her studies for now. Okay. Ya, saya juga saya I wonder itu bahasa Indonesia-nya Saya, oh gosh. Eh, Oke, saya juga recall. Give me one second. What I don't remember what wonder is in Indonesia. I wonder. Okay, wonder Indonesia. Oh, saya juga no 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 this no bertanya-tanya sengaja juga no no what is wonder man? Saya juga ah kira-kira bertanya-tanya sih ya. So, oke, kira-kira bertanya sendiri gitu loh. Saya juga bertanya-tanya bagaimana perasaannya Veronica. Uh, Mungkin dia tuh sangat senang, sangat gembira gitu. And also juga merasa lega telah telah selesai dengan kuliahnya untuk saat ini. Nah, gitu. What do you mean by for now? Is she planning to pursue graduate studies? Apa maksudnya dengan ucapanmu untuk saat ini? Apa dia sudah berencana untuk melanjutkan ke S2 ya, master degree ya. Okay. Yes, but she plans to find a job first and then she will go back to school for her master's degree. Iya, betul. Tapi dia berencana untuk mencari kerja dulu, kemudian dia akan melanjutkan masternya. You mean she will work for a while and then quit to go back to school full time? Oh, maksudmu dia akan bekerja sementara waktu, lalu berhenti kerja dan melanjutkan kuliahnya full time? No, she needs to work to support herself. She will work full time and go to school part time at night. Oh, tidak. Dia harus bekerja untuk membiayai dirinya. Oke, dia akan bekerja uh, uh, full time dan akan kuliah master malam hari part time. Okay. It will be hard to hold a full-time job while going to school. Wah, sepertinya sulit untuk bekerja full-time kemudian juga kuliah. I know it will not be easy, however, lots of people have done it. So, she can too. Ya, saya tahu tidak akan mudah. Namun banyak orang yang bisa melakukannya. Jadi dia juga bisa. I'm sure she will be able to do that. She's such a smart person and hardworking too. Ya, saya yakin dia bisa melakukannya. Veronica adalah orang yang pandai dan juga pekerja keras. Okay. I wish I'm as disciplined as she is. Ya, aku berharap aku bisa sedisiplin dia. Have fun, Annie. Tell your sister that I send my best wishes. Okay, have fun ini maksudnya dalam bahasa Indonesia itu ya selamat apa ya apa dalam bahasa Indonesia ya have fun. Mm, selamat bersenang-senang lah kira-kira begitu ya. Bilang ke kakakmu saya uh, berharap yang terbaik untuknya. Thanks, bye Liz. Oke, makasih. Selamat tinggal Liz. Oke, bye Annie. Oke, kira-kira begitu ya translation-nya. Oke. So now so translation done, everything. Now let's do it. It's your guys' turn. Okay. All right, there you go. All right. now, so for this role play of this chapter, I need 8 volunteers, guys. 8 volunteers. You may raise your hands and I assign the dialogue parts to you guys, okay? Give me 1 sec. Okay, I believe this. Is that Miss Fanny still having problem raising her hand? I guess jump to the later. Okay, yes. Sure, I'll have Miss Fanny. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. All right, now. I'll have Shirley. Shirley is taking care of list number 1 until number 4. And then Peter is doing any number 1 until number 4. Then Nani is doing list number 1 until number 4. Danny is doing any number 5 until number 5 until number 8. Okay, Danny. Alright, then Mr. Amin is taking care of list number 9 until 12. Miss Lily is doing any number 9 until 12. And then we have Donnie is doing list number 13 and 18. And Miss Fanny is doing any number 13 until 17. Perfect. Now, allow me to repeat again, guys, okay? Before I unmute you guys. All right, listen carefully. Shirley is taking care of list number 1 until number 4. And then Peter is doing any number 1 until number 4. Nani is doing list number 5 until number 8. Danny is doing any number 5 until number 8. Mr. Amin is doing list number 9 until 12. Miss Lily is doing Ani number 9 to 12. And then we have Donnie taking care of list number 13 until 18. And Miss Fanny is taking care of any number 13 to 17. All right, guys. Now, I'll meet you guys.
Hello, Miss.
Hi, Shirley. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year,
Yay. Wish the
Happy
best
New
for
Year,
you
everybody.
guys.
Miss, Happy New Year,
Happy
Miss.
New Year, Nani. Okay, guys.
Happy New Year, Miss.
Happy New Year.
Good evening, Miss, and Happy
Good
New Year.
evening. Happy New Year, Miss Lily. Hopefully, in this year, we'll accomplish a lot. Okay, guys. Your goals, your everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys. If no questions, all right, so it's your turn, guys. Times is yours. We may start with Shirley.
Okay. That is a very lovely bouquet of flowers. Who is it for?
These flowers are for my sister Veronica. Today is her graduation day.
Graduation.
It must have cost you a fortune.
I paid $60 for it.
That is expensive.
Yes, but it is worth it. My sister
Got it.
worked very hard for her degree over the last 4 years. Today is a very important day for her, and I want it to be special.
That is a very nice of you. I wish it is our graduation day also.
Another 3 years and we will be done so. 3 years seem to be a long time, yet it is not too
Yeah.
bad.
Are they going to hold the graduation ceremony?
Graduation.
Dani?
The ceremony will be held on Upper
Miss.
Campus near the library at 3 p.m.
I believe the School of Business and the School of Engineering hold the same graduation ceremony.
That will be a big ceremony. Imagine all the graduating students from both schools along with their relative and acquaint acquaintance.
Acquaintances.
You better show up early. Otherwise, there will not be a seat left for you.
I better get a seat close to the stage if I want to get good pictures of my sisters.
I think all the seats up front are reserved for the graduation students. If you want to be close to the stage, you probably will have to stand close by.
Probably.
That will be good enough for me. I can send picture of her when she walks by.
The university always has at least 2 professional photographers to take pictures of the student when they go upstairs for their diploma.
Yes, I heard that the photographers usually take a couple of pictures of each student ordinarily. When the student receive their diploma and when the school's president shakes their hands in congratulation.
That will take care of the whole thing then. All the important moments will be captured on film.
And after the ceremony, there will be plenty of time to take pictures of my sister with our family and her friends.
The university store usually does not require the students to return their graduation gowns and cap right after the ceremony.
Yes, Veronica has the options of returning them the next day.
She will be wearing a black gown and cap with a gold tassel, right?
Yes, I wonder how she will feel. She will probably be very excited, very happy, and also very relieved to be done with her studies for now.
What do you mean by for now? Is she planning to pursue graduate studies? Yes, but she plans to find a job first,
Hold on.
and she will go back to school for her master degree.
Okay, hold on,
Happy New
Doni.
Year, Miss.
Yes, sorry,
Are
Miss Penny. Okay, hold on. So Miss Penny is Annie number 13 and 17, and Donnie is list 13 to 18. Okay, Now, Miss Fanny turn. Any number 13.
Yes, but she plans to find a job first, and then she will go back to school for her master's degree.
Me, Miss.
Yes, go ahead.
You mean she will work for a while and then quit to go back to school full time?
No, she
No,
needs
Miss Fanny.
she needs to work to support herself. She will work full time and go to school part-time at night.
Tony.
it will be hard to hold a full-time job while going to school.
I know it will not be easy. However, lots of people have done it, so she can too. She can too.
I am sure she will be able to do that. She is such smart people and hard working too.
I wish I'm as disciplined as she is.
Have fun, honey. Tell your sister that I send my best wish.
Thanks. Bye, Liz.
Bye, Annie.
Okay, let's start reviewing. Okay, all right. Remember when we have plurals, okay? Remember to mention that as hard, okay? I send my best wishes, okay? This is plural here, no wish, okay? Wishes, okay? Now hold on, let me do this. No, that's let's do this. So wishes, okay, to remind you guys. Hold on, okay. Okay, hold on. This one. Let's just do this. Okay. Oh, doesn't. Okay, there you go. Wishes, okay, and then let's go to list number 14. List number 14, okay. There's a difference when you say singular and plural nouns, okay. List number 14, okay, pay attention. This is work. Work. Oh. Okay, work, okay. No work, okay. There is a different, okay, work, okay. So there's a K, ended with the K, and then has to be hard, okay. Remember, we have work, walk, okay. Walking, working, okay. So this is work, okay. So when you say the work, the K is hard, okay. Walk also K hard, okay. Saat pengucapan work, itu K-nya harus kentara ya. Jadi kedengaran. That's in English called hard K ya. Seperti juga kata walk, okay. Walk berjalan, walking, okay. K-nya juga harus hard, okay. So say that confidently with the K, hard K, okay, guys. And then let's move on to list number 13, okay. To pursue graduate studies. Okay. Pursue graduate studies. Okay. In this conversation here, in this chapter, we are going to see the word graduate, graduating, graduation. Okay. So this pay attention. Okay. When you're gonna see those different kind of words, okay, different kind of function, okay, we have the word graduate, okay, and then graduating as a verb, sometimes as a gerund, okay, and then sometimes we also see graduation, okay. So pay attention to your pronunciation for that word, okay. Now move on to any number 12, okay. Any number 12, the word is now, okay, not no, okay. Okay, no, if you say it's a no, there isn't any alphabet W. Since there is a W, so we pronounce that as now, okay. Then move on to list number 12. We have the word tassel. With a gold tassel. Okay. Tassel itu loh. Ya, bahasa Indonesianya. Itu seperti tali, ya, tali yang dipindahkan itu. Oh, hold on, give me 1 second, okay. I think I have that kind of tassel here. Hold on. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, guys, so this kind, okay, this right here, okay, so it's just not this part, okay, just see this red, and then with this kind of things, it's gonna be on your like this, move it there, okay, on the cap, di atas toganya itu ya. Nah, tassel, biasanya di bagian bawah ini banyak tali-talinya yang begini ya. Okay, nah, this is what the tassel, okay. All right, so that's what tassel is, and then move on to film. All right, guys, list number 10. List number 10 will be captured on film. Film, okay. Okay, film. Okay, move on to list number 9. List number 9, we have the word upstage. List number 9. Stage, okay, so this is upstage. Same with the word on list number 8, the word also stage, okay, Mr. Amin, like this, okay, stage. Okay, and then we have the move on to, oh no, okay. List number 8 was done by Nani, okay, stage and upstage, okay, guys, listen to the pronunciation, yes, okay. Move on to any number 6. All right, guys, any number 6. All right, graduating. Okay, remember, guys, like chapter 19 or 20, Okay, I was keep on telling you guys. Okay, so when we have the gerund or the what do you call, verb plus ing, okay, present continuous tense, okay, the verb plus ing, and then that verb contain a T, okay, of an alphabet T plus ing. Most of them, okay, not 100%, okay, most of them, like say like I will say like about like 90% of it, okay, you pronounce that. Look at this, okay, this word here, this is what I'm talking about, okay. Okay, look, this word here, okay, graduating, okay. Now the word, the main the root word is graduate, okay. Now look at this, there is a, hold on, you guys pay attention to this, okay. Look at this, graduating, huh? Okay. Now graduating, okay, you listen to how I pronounce it, graduating, okay. I don't say graduating, okay, as graduating, okay. Nah, jadi kebanyakan kata-kata dalam bahasa Inggris yang ada ing-nya, kemudian sebelum ing itu ada huruf T ya, ada huruf T, saat kita pengucapannya itu kedengaran seperti D ya, graduating. Remember, couple chapters ago, okay, I keep on reminding you guys. So I think you guys kind of like don't remember anymore, okay. So I remind you guys again, okay, since we have this graduating thing, okay, graduating, okay. What else, okay, when I see the words, I'm gonna telling you guys again, okay. But 90%, okay, 90%, not 100%, depends on the words, okay. So but that's quite a lot, okay, graduating. So saat pengucapannya itu bukan T, jadi seperti softy ya, softy, graduating, ding, like that, okay. So let's see. Next, after graduating, we have relatives, okay. We have the word relatives here. And acquaintances, okay. Nah, acquaintances itu maksudnya kalau relatif ini dalam bahasa Indonesia, okay, relatives dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya keluarga ya. Maksudnya bisa orang tua, saudara kandung, sepupu, kakek nenek, that's your relatives ya. Okay, and then we have the acquaintances, okay. Itu adalah kenalan yang tidak terlalu dekat ya, tidak misalnya teman yang kita cuma tahu namanya, mungkin hadir di situ ya, who knows, okay, wanna be a part of that, okay. So teman tapi kita tidak terlalu dekat sehingga berinteraksi setiap hari, that's called acquaintances. Jadi bahkan kenalan ya, kenalan gitu. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so the word here, relatives and acquaintances. Okay, acquaintances. Okay. Jadi tidak terlalu familiar. You're not that familiar with that people. Okay, the person. Okay, so next we have any number 5, upper campus. Okay, guys, remember this. Okay, upper, the R is silent. Okay, jadi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris itu kebanyakan R-nya itu diucapkan silent, differently with the Indonesian. When we in Indonesian, the R is gonna be hard. Okay, merah. Okay, now in English is gonna be R-nya kalau di bagian tengah itu very. Okay, I don't say very. Okay, dalam Indonesia mungkin kita mengatakan very, but in English we're gonna pronounce that as very. very, okay? Very. Jadi R-nya itu silent ya. Kalau yang di tengah itu sister, okay? Ya, belakang pun begitu juga ya. Sister, her, no her. Ya, kalau bahasa Indonesia kita R lagi itu ya over the last, okay? Okay, jadi coba try to train the tongue, okay? The tongue, when we speak up, the pronunciation is a little bit better, like after learning with me, okay? If you're not able to do it, you can have me repeat again. You can ask me to repeat again, and I'll guide you guys, okay? All right, guys. So those are the words that I need you guys to pay extra attention, okay? So now I'm gonna have guide you guys to pronounce it, okay? Now on any number five, any number five, it's Dani, okay? So I'll have Dani. Where is Dani? Dani, where's Dani? Oh, there it is. All right. Okay, Dani, now you may repeat after me, okay? Now let's check
Miss.
on any number five, okay? Repeat after me. Upper campus.
Upper campus.
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 Campus. Yes, okay. Now, you may repeat the whole sentence then.
The ceremony
will be held.
Yes.
Go ahead. Yes.
The ceremony will be held on upper campus near the library at 3 p.m.
Perfect. Okay. Now,
Miss,
another one.
kayaknya
Yes.
upper campus artinya apa?
Kemungkinan itu kalau di luar negeri itu campusnya, kalau upper campus here could be two meaning, okay? Jadi bisa di kampus yang bagian atas di loteng ya, lantai kedua ya, maksudnya entah itu lantai kedua atau lantai ketiga, okay? Upper campus, okay? Yang dekat dengan perpustakaan, okay? Nah, kemudian ada lagi pengertiannya itu mungkin kampus yang letaknya tuh di bagian kampus lain, kampus yang lokasi yang lain, tapi dia nyebutnya upper campus. Kalau di luar negeri kebanyakan kampusnya pisah-pisah gitu. Nah, they could say, okay, they may say upper campus or lower campus, or sometimes they say by the city of the campus, okay? Let me say, the example is like this, okay? Give you an example, okay? Like what I know, okay? The Santa Monica College, okay? Now Santa Monica College, okay, has like more than one campus, okay? Like they have the one in I believe they're different city, okay, different city. So this the SMC at the Santa Monica College, they don't say by the upper or lower campus, okay? So they say by the city, okay? They're like oh, that's on the main campus, okay? The main campus, usually there's a main campus, or the other by the city. Totally don't remember the location. Okay, give me 1 second. So I can explain better. Okay, Santa Monica College location. Okay, college location. Okay, there you go. Okay, for the main campus, airport campus. Okay, now like this. Okay, like this. Like Santa Monica, more than one location. Okay, they don't. it depends on the campus. They want to say mention that there's an upper campus, lower campus, or main campus. Okay, for the Santa Monica, they call main campus, airport campus, and then satellite campuses. Okay, so that's some other campus, some other university they says by campus itu kan gedung ya, gedung universitasnya ya, harus dipahami ya, antara universitas sama kampus. Kampus itu gedungnya, oh gedungnya lokasinya di mana, apa, oh gedung yang ini, gedung SMC ini disebut apa gitu. Nah kalau yang SMC itu Santa Monica College ini, dia bicaranya, oh dia sebutannya untuk kampusnya itu adalah main campus, airport campus, and then satellite campus. Okay. Nah, kalau di sini dalam conversation sini dia tulisnya upper campus. So, what from my understanding is going to be, it's two meaning. It's either the campus, kampusnya itu lokasinya itu di not in the same campus. Jadi dia seperti yang tadi, kalau yang SMC kan ada sebutannya, ada main campus sama airport campus. And then this here on the conversation could be like main campus, upper campus, lower campus. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, that's the first understanding that I can catch. Okay, the second one could be meaning could be like this. Oh, kampusnya itu yang di lantai atas gitu loh. Lantai atas yang dekat dengan perpustakaan. Nah, gitu kira-kira. Okay, so I'm gonna get you an extra explanation but on the following week for that. But that's from my understanding. Okay, for right now.
Okay.
Okay. So hold on. You still have any number 6. Okay. Now any number 6. Okay. The words are right here. Remember I was explaining. Okay. It's so you pronounce that as graduating instead of graduating. You t-nya itu di-pronounce as D, graduating. Yeah, like that. Okay. You may repeat.
Graduating.
Yes, graduating. Okay. Nah, kemudian yang graduate. Nah, saat pengucapan graduate-nya itu clear, okay, hard. Okay. Nah, so jadi pengucapannya graduate itu harus kentara ya, harus jelas. Okay. Kira-kira kalau graduating, like that. Okay. And then the other words are relatives and acquaintances. You may repeat.
Relative and acquaintances.
Relatives, okay, S, ada S ya, karena dia plural, okay, kata jamak ya. With their relatives and acquaintances.
With their relative and
acquaintances.
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 Okay, tenses, perfect. Okay, so you may repeat the whole sentence then.
That will be a big ceremony. Imagine all the graduating students from both schools along with their relative and
acquaintances.
Acquaintances,
yes, okay. So always remember the plural, okay? Kata jamak harus kebanyakan dalam English ended with the S, okay? Jadi perhatikan untuk yang kata jamak plural, kata benda jamak, okay? Okay, perfect. Any other question, Dani?
Miss, tadi kalau yang graduate itu bacanya T-nya itu kentara ya?
No, the graduating. Kalau yang mana? Maksudnya
yang graduate aja. Yang graduate aja.
Yeah. Kalau graduate without ing, yes, you have graduate. Yes. Graduate. Jadi kentara ya, harus tegas gitu. Maksudnya graduate, and then graduating, and then graduation. Yes, different. Yes. Oke.
Kalau ini kan yang graduating, ini kan T-nya itu kayaknya tipis gitu.
Enggak kentara ya. D-nya ya,
Iya.
graduating. Ya. Tapi yang bagian depannya sebelum ding ini graduate itu harus kentara ya. Graduating. Jadi tegas. Graduating. Oke, graduation. Nah, graduate. S. Oke. Perfect. Clear?
Okay, Miss. Clear, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, move on to we have list number 8. The word is stage. Okay. Hard. Okay, harus tegas ya. Stage. Okay, I'll have Nani.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, you may repeat after me. Stage.
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 Hold on. Stage.
Stage.
Okay, let me see. Stage. Okay, let me try to write it down how we pronounce that in Indonesia. Stage. Okay, how about this? How you read this? The red one.
Stage.
Bagian itu kalau bahasa Indonesia kira-kira gini ya. Sketch, yes? Okay, hold on. Let me see. Sketch. Kalau ini bacanya gimana kalau bahasa Indonesia? Sketch, yes? Nah, this is stage.
Stage.
I still stage. CH-nya belum begitu jelas. Stage.
Stage.
There you go. You got it. Yes. Okay. So you may repeat after me, okay? If you want to be close to the stage, you probably will have to stand close by.
If you want to be close to the stage, you probably will have to stand close by.
Okay, so stage.
Stage.
Okay, there you go. Okay, so keep on repeating that, okay? Any question, Annie?
No, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. All right, now another upstage on list number 9. I'll have Mr. Amin.
Many mistake, yeah, Miss. Many mistake for me.
No, this is not. We're learning together. There is no mistake.
I will
Okay.
correct it.
Okay. Repeat after me. Upstage.
Upstage.
Okay.
Upstage.
Now the stage is like this, Mr. Amin.
Okay. Upstage.
Yeah, there you
go.
go. Yes, there. Okay, now, okay. When they go upstage for their diploma.
When they go upstage for their diploma.
Okay, for their, not they are. Okay. Hold on.
Their.
When they go upstage for their diploma.
When they go upstage for their diploma.
Okay, the upstage. Upstage.
Upstage.
Yes, upstage. So when you read in the sentence, just no rushing. Okay, so the pronunciation will be clear. Okay, when they go upstage for their diploma.
When they go upstage for their diploma.
This is their.
Their.
Because
for their diploma.
There. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, look at this. This is what you say there.
Oh, not there.
This is there. Okay, this is there. Ini kepunyaan. Oke, kalau di
Yeah.
sini ke mereka, oke, yang di sini milik mereka. Oke, a
Oh,
little bit
oh
different.
dear.
Oke.
Oh
Yes,
dear.
dear. Yes. Okay, perfect. Any question?
No, miss.
Hold on, one more for you. Hold on.
Okay.
This film number
Film.
10. Film number
Oh,
10.
no, yeah. I
Yeah.
say film. Film.
Uh,
Film.
yes,
Film.
film. Yes. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Okay, thank you, Mr. Amin. Okay. Hold on. Actually, another TESOL. TESOL for Mr. Amin. Let's see if Mr. Amin can pronounce that correctly now. Hold on.
Okay.
TESOL.
Oh, taser.
Oh, okay, there you go. You got it. You just read it too fast, maybe.
A black gown. A black gown kan? No, gown kan? A black
Gown.
gown.
And you may repeat the whole sentence of list number
She
12.
will be wearing a black gown and capped with a gold tassel. Right?
Right. Yes, perfect. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, move on to any number 12. Okay. Probably reading too fast also for Miss Lily.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Miss Lily, you must rushing also for you say now instead of no. Yes,
Now.
okay. Yes, I know that's too easy for you. Okay. Any question, Miss Lily?
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, move on to 13 of list. List number 13. Okay, there you go. List number 13, pursue graduate. Oh, that's Donnie. Let me see if Donnie, I see Donnie. Okay, Donnie. Okay, let's do this together. Okay, number 13, list. Okay,
List.
pursue graduate studies.
Pursue graduate studies.
Very good. Okay, you may say repeat the whole sentence then. What do you mean by for now? Is she planning to pursue graduate studies?
Is a planning graduate study.
You see?
Is mean ya, Miss? Mean.
Yes, list number 13. Yes. What do you mean?
What do you mean for untuk sekarang? Dia punya rencana pursue. What is the meaning? Pursue, Miss.
Melanjutkan
Oh iya.
ya melanjutkan kuliah.
Iya.
Okay.
Apakah dia ada rencana untuk melanjutkan kuliah?
Kuliahnya graduate.
Kuliahnya.
Kuliah master ya kalau S2, graduate studies itu S2, melanjutkan S2.
Ya.
Okay. Now hold on. Let's move on to list number 14. The word is work. You may repeat work.
Work.
Yes.
Work.
Work. Yes. Work. Walk.
Work.
Okay.
Walk.
Very good. Yeah. So pengucapan K-nya harus jelas ya, kentara ya. Hard K. Okay. And the last one is on hold. Okay, list number 15. Okay, list number 15, the word is hold. To hold.
To hold.
Yes, okay. Hold.
To hold.
Yes, very good. Okay, you may repeat the whole sentence of list number 15. No need translation, just repeat it.
Akankah dia lebih keras menunggu sepenuh waktu untuk pekerjaan untuk di mana ya pergi ke sekolah ya?
Oh, no translation. Tidak usah diterjemahkan, hanya baca ulang lagi dengan pronunciation yang benar. Oke.
It will be hard to hold a full-time job while going to school.
Okay. Job, instead of job. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. Any question, Dani?
I think no, Miss.
Okay.
So good.
So far, so good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Donnie.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so that is the our first meeting for today. Okay, so seems like a very easy words, but I need you guys to pronounce it correctly. Okay, that's the point of this class. Okay, so next week we'll continue with the explanation of all these highlighted phrases, okay, which actually already sent by Mr. Tony to the on the PDF, okay, or this explanation of each expression with the examples in the sentence. So that's gonna make you guys even understand better. Okay, so we'll discuss that next week, and then I'll give you the translation in Indonesia also. Okay, and then from there, then we have the comprehension test. Okay, we have time. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you for joining the class today, guys. It's really nice to see you again. Okay, I'll see you guys on the following meeting. Till then, you guys be safe, stay healthy, and then be happy always. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss
you,
Susan.
Miss.
Thank you,
See you
Miss.
next week.
Thank you,
Next week.
Miss.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss Susan.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye.
Bye.